Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can activate your Go2Bank card. So by activating your Go2Bank card, you can unlock some perks of your card. So Go2Bank is basically a bank, alright? And its name is Go2Bank, so don't get confused. And Go2Bank has a card. And if you activate that card, basically a debit or a credit card looking card, once you activate that card, you can get a lot of features more unlocked from that card, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to activate your Go2Bank card as well. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. And remember this, in order to activate your card, you need to have information of your card details, like your card number, your card expiration date, your card CVV number as well, alright? So if you remember that, then you're good to go. The first thing you want to do is search for Activate Go2Bank card. After you search for Activate Go2Bank card, it's going to show you all of these results. And from all these results, you want to choose Activate a card Go2Bank. And make sure it takes you to secure.go2bank.com. Alright, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now why I said you need to have knowledge of your card detail is because without that you cannot activate it. Over here you need to enter your 16-digit card number, which is going to be provided on your card, and your card's expiration date, and this thing is also going to be provided on your card. Alright, so after that, you need to enter the SEC code. So SEC code is also known as CVV code, right? This is also a 3-digit code which is available on the card. So enter a 16-digit number and your card's expiration date, your card's SEC number, and click on I'm not a robot to verify you're not a robot. Once you get this tick mark, click on continue, and if the card number, expiration date, SEC code is correct, your card will be activated. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can activate your Go2Bank card. If you guys found our video helpful on how you guys can activate your Go2Bank card, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then. Peace out.